Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Prisma app on iPhone using very simple steps. I'm using iPhone, but the process almost the same on any phone. First unlock your iPhone and make sure you're connected with good internet or mobile data. Now open the App Store on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type Prisma Photo Edit and tap search. You will see the Prisma app with a colorful icon. Make sure the developer name is correct, then tap on Get. If asks confirmation using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password, then app will start downloading automatically. Once the download is finished, the Open button will appear. Tap Open or go back to your home screen and tap the Prisma icon. When you open for the first time, allow photo access so the app can edit your picture. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.